Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. Today, I'm bringing you a video on two big trucks, a crane and a HINO 258. This video today is about the HINO 258. It's 2019 HINO 258 flatbed tow truck that we just completed a remote starter on, and we put a ThinkWare dash camera in it as well. The remote starter we put in was the PolarStar PRS 13. This is our preferred model for the heavy-duty trucks, and I just want to show you basically what we've done. So this particular truck came with factory HINO keyless entry right here. So obviously lock, unlock, but the customer wanted to add remote start to it. So we added the PRS 13 key fobs here. So you can lock, you can unlock, and then if I hit the start button, going to basically fire right up. It's got a the diesel engine, so it's got a wait to start, a glow plug delay. So you'll hear it on right now. Basically, it starts up. Now we've got the runtime set to 25 minutes, so this truck is going to idle for a period of 25 minutes. If I get in, I'm just going to walk up, unlock the doors. And for those of you who have never been in a HINO before, this is what one looks like. This is the ThinkWare dash camera that we put in. We put a front and rear with the rear camera right there. We couldn't run the cabling under this because it's part of the window, so we had to run it on top. It's a commercial vehicle, so it's not too big of an issue. So I'm just gonna do takeover. Here's my HINO key. So I just turn the ignition to the on position, step on the brake, and now you can drive this truck away. If I were to take the key out, keys out, truck shuts right down. So part of my appearance today, I've been working really hard under the dash of cars. If you or someone you know is interested in adding a remote start to a HINO or any commercial vehicle for that matter, most of the big trucks like these we have covered. But if you have any questions, 1-866-824-4118. We'd love to hear from you. We work on all sorts of vehicles. Remote starts are our specialty. www.lockdownsecurity.ca, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, 1-866-824-4118. If you do like this video, hit the like button. And if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel to help us make more videos like this in the future. PolarStar PRS 13 and a HINO 258 2019. Thank you very much. Have a great day.